I need another City Muffler sticker on my window. Yeah. Oh yeah. Got my car. We getting the exhaust ready. Super nice. What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Richie back at it again with another video. If you guys watching this channel, make sure you do two things: like and subscribe. We are growing every single day. Today, I'm at my City Mufflers, my sponsors. They the ones that do all my exhaust to all my cars. Make sure you guys hit them up. This is so nice. Wow, look at my dream car, y'all. It's crazy. Looking at it right now, it's mainly pipes look under. Oh, that's what they got. Hey, you know what's going? Woo! Look at my car. It's crazy, y'all. I'm so excited to hear how this car is going to sound. I'm super excited. Super duper excited. Can't wait. Holy moly, look how big that is. That muffler is gigantic. Holy shit. Check out that pipe, man. It's crazy under there. Holy shit. That's big. Wow. That's crazy. Those are the tips I'm going with right now. Yeah, so that's gonna be nice, man. I can't wait to get that. Man, it drives real good. Man, this is nice. We're gonna do the quad tip right there. Oh my gosh, it's looking so good. Oh my gosh. Instead of just the one little pipe and that little stock thing, we're going to that. That looks so nice. Can't wait. This is super sick, y'all. Make sure you guys hit up City Mufflers, man. City Mufflers is the best spot. They do great work, fast, quick, and the best results, man. They done all three of my cars that I own, and I have no regrets. Like I said, City Mufflers all day. Make sure you guys hit them up. And if you guys come to City Mufflers, which you guys can see if you're in the Bay Area, make sure you guys come to them. It might be reversed on the video, but make sure you guys hit up City Mufflers, man. Let them know Rich sent you. Well, Mo. Say Mo. That's so nice. So good with the quad tips. Oh my gosh, it makes it look way more beefy. God damn. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. What's up, man? How you doing?
Good.
You be at the meets?
Yeah,
What's up, bro?
I
How
be
you
at the
doing? What's your name?
Jaden.
Jaden?
I follow you on Instagram, 392J. I just sent you a few things. You didn't respond.
Wait a minute. Wait. Is you that one? That's you got, was you at Cars and Coffee or something like that?
No, I wasn't at Cars.
Okay, I guess somebody
But
else.
I be at the 925 meets.
9 to 5. Okay. The one at Fry's?
Yeah, Fries. And then I saw you in Brentwood a few months ago.
Yeah. I'm kind of done with the car meets, bro.
Me too.
It's too hot.
Yeah, it's way too hot.
It's too hot, man. It's too hot. I'm like, yeah, I don't know.
They attracted all that when they started doing the burnouts and stuff. You know, we
Everybody want to do ignorant, stupid shit. So I'm like, I'm cool. All right, y'all. So I finally made it back to the crib. Had a crazy long day. Did 10 hours worth of work, my 9-to-5 job, and just continuing to stay busy. Super tired, but I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I just wanted to give you guys a little something of what I did. We got a lot of crazy stuff going on. Me and my sponsors, City Mufflers. A lot of crazy shit. It's about to be some epic shit. Hopefully we can make my shit sound like a damn supercar. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, happy for that. Love what it looked like. And it sounds even better now just with that drastic change. It's crazy. There's just a lot of things I got lined up. We got new modifications coming with the Lexus, and we're going to be changing the front bumper of my Honda finally. So there's a lot of stuff that's about to be going down. You guys got to stay in tune. Tomorrow, Thursday, I'm going to give you guys a better sounding of the exhaust to the Lexus. It sounds fucking phenomenal, and it's something else I got it special that we got to do on Thursday. So that's why I said Thursday, be expecting a dope video of the exhaust. Oh my gosh. Anyways, I just want to tell you guys, man, thank you guys for all the support, man. I love meeting all my subscribers. Lately I've been meeting you guys more and more in person. I appreciate the moments, man, because it's the most beautiful thing, man. It's just crazy starting off recording myself and never knowing who was going to be able to watch me. Now I got homies all over America, all over Australia, Canada, all over places, man, Bahamas. So I truly appreciate all you guys, man. You guys make me work harder. Now that I have a new car to the channel, it's about to be a lot of content. Next Wednesday, I'm getting ready to take one of the cars to the drag strip, and I'm gonna have a whole separate video, and I'm gonna let you guys pick and choose which one I'm gonna be doing. So there's a whole lot of videos coming. I've been so busy, like just putting my mind together on what videos I'm gonna keep dropping. And I hope you guys like this. It's going to be epic. This channel is about to grow so fast. So I need you guys to keep supporting me. Keep watching them ads and leave some thumbs up. And just interact with me, man. I love talking to you guys. You guys are the greatest. I have the best support system in the world. Rich Gang forever. But I gotta get ready for sleep. But tomorrow, we're going to get more in depth of some things that we need to speak about. So stay tuned, y'all. Stay tuned. It's about to get epic. I'm about to have the best fucking car builds on YouTube, especially the RC. We out.